Sanjeev Dos Gupta ji, Akhil Bansal ji, for giving us their valuable and precious time. Deepak ji, to honor the panelists, please. Sushil Kumar ji, yeah. Raj Singh ji Gehlot. Raj Singh ji Gehlot. Ashok ji Solomon. Shri Sanjeev Das Gupta ji. And Akhil Bansal ji. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue this session after the lunch also. Let us meet at 2:15. The government of Rajasthan, on behalf of government of Rajasthan, I'll request Mr. Sandhu Saab also and Mr. Ashok Patni, Vice President Raj Redco, to honor the President of NAREDCO and Mr. Sushil Kumar ji for organizing this great conference, sir. Really, we're delighted. I'll request Shri G.S. Sandhu Saab, IAS, Principal Secretary, UDH, and Local Self-Government, for handing over the mementos to Shri Naveen M. Raheja, President NAREDCO, and Shri Sushil Kumar ji. Sushil Kumar ji, please. Yeah, this memento comes from Government of Rajasthan, sir, for organizing this great event, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. So see you at 2:15 sharp.
Decongestion, diseconomies to be avoided so that we can attract investment and really sustain the growth rates of 7 to 8% per annum. I am convinced that today we have the confidence to know that it can be done. We have examples of Bandra Kurla in our own country. We know how to unlock land value and generate finance as we want to do many of these things. We have examples of the outer ring road of Hyderabad. We have examples of the Sardar Patel outer ring road. It is really not all about finances. Finances will come if we can really create a policy environment in which there is incentive for the private sector, there is explicit recognition of the importance of including the poor, and if we can create transparency in our system through competitive bidding of contracts, through using IT to make this whole process transparent, I think this has happened in small ways in some projects, in some states in the country. The challenge for us is to really ensure that we can make it much more widespread, and there will be a tipping point beyond which the self-doubt will disappear. If Vijayawada can do it, if Hyderabad can do it, if Ahmedabad can do it, why not other cities? So I think with that thought, let me leave you. I must apologize. I thought the session was from 11:30 to 1. I've just come back from a long trip from outside of Delhi, and I had some commitments, but when I was invited, I felt that it was important for me to hear what you had to say. But because there's been a delay in the program, I apologize that I will not be here to listen to much more knowledgeable people, more hands-on people in your sector. But I look forward to the proceedings of the conference where I can get a sense of what consensus was arrived at and how we can take this sector forward and how we can have this sector contribute what really is its rightful share in the GDP growth of our economy in an inclusive manner. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was Dr. Ishwar Jaj Ahluwalia. I think she is actually, we all know Montek Singh Ahluwalia Sahab. So they both are working together to give direction to the country and to see that the country grows, and deeply involved into the policy making and decisions in the country. They contribute their all insight. So I'm extremely thankful to her because she has given such a beautiful speech. She's given you idea about the international model. She's given you idea about money and finance, how the sector is actually directly related to the growth of an economy. And then she mentioned about cities of Andhra Pradesh. Actually, the cities are from Andhra Pradesh. And what I am going to promote in this sector, and what I want that other state government representatives who are here, they should actually look into the Andhra Pradesh model, because this is the first time that they have got out of NBC, FAR and DESTI norms, and they have rewritten the entire system. Because of that rewriting the entire system, the housing has become easier to execute, number one. Number two, it has become open. As there are many people I can see from Andhra Pradesh sitting here, yes, and there, it is linked to the width of the road. So you make as much construction you can do, you do go as much as you can go high, as long as Airport Authority of India gives you the permission. So per unit land cost, that is FAR cost, actually goes down, and housing and real estate becomes affordable. So it's a beautiful model which actually should be adopted by other states also. Instead that we keep on defining this is the width of this staircase, this is that, this is this, and the very junior level JEs, AEs, and they stop your files for months together to increase or